Hello, my name is Mo.
Hello and welcome, my name is Romas. On this episode we are preparing a very simple and easy to make snack made out of semolina. We'll begin by adding 2.5 cups of water which will then boil. Add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of caraway. When it starts boiling, add 2 cups of semolina and mix it well. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to the dough once it had cooled off and mix it. 2 teaspoons of oregano. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty unless you're making food. Okay, I guess this idiom doesn't work in this situation. Anyway, roll the dough between your clean hands and cut them in preferable size. Deep fry the pieces for about 5 to 8 minutes or until they become significantly yellower. It's up to you to choose or make the sauce. We're making simple mayo ketchup garlic sauce. 4 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, mix it. Ką galvoji?
Kad labai skanu.
Thanks for watching and until next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Labai skanus puskučiai.
It goes well with some beer. We are very happy how it turned out and it should be too if you try it. By the way guys, it would help a lot if you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and consider pressing the bell button to see our videos first and or use one of the links in the description below to support us. Again, thank you and goodbye. Cheers. So, what do you think?